Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vinay. Actually, Renita has called me and told that she want to show some mashup, it seems, regarding one of the great actors in Malayalam. For that, we have to call Renita and we'll ask her who is that actor and what is that video regarding. Hi Renita.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm very good. Yeah, tell me. You have called me and told me to react to a video regarding some great Malayalam actor. What is it and what?
So today we are going to watch a video regarding Dulquer Salman as it is his birthday today. We will be watching a tribute video that is actually a birthday mashup by Mansoor Rashid.
Okay.
So we will be watching that today, okay? As it is his birthday.
Okay. Then we'll do one thing. First we'll go for the video. Later I'll tell regarding Dulquer Salman because I have two favorite actors from Malayalam. One is Dulquer and Naveen. I'll tell you later what about I know about Dulquer and what did I saw Dulquer films and all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I think you have so much to tell about him. I think you are very excited. I can see in your face.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to say
Okay.
a lot more about him.
Okay, then no more waiting. Here we'll go for the video. Okay. Thanks for all reaction channels. Troll Magico.
Hey God, please send your angel.
എനിക്കെല്ലാം നൽകിയ മലയാള സിനിമയുടെ തെന്നിന്ത്യൻ സിനിമയുടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ സിനിമയുടെ പ്രിൻസ് ഓഫ് മലയാളം സിനിമ
Let's welcome Dulquer Salman.
സെക്കൻഡ് ഷോ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പടം റിലീസ് ചെയ്ത് ആദ്യ ദിവസം ഞാൻ
Born on 28th July.
Yeah. That means today.
Yeah. Son of Mammootty.
രണ്ടാമത്തെ സിനിമയിൽ അഭിനയിക്കുമ്പോഴേ അത്രയധികം ഇൻവോൾവ് ആവുന്നു.
DQ. I think that film from Charlie, right?
Yeah.
I saw it.
This is Mahanadi.
Mahanati I saw. Hey, she is the actor from Bangalore Days, right?
Yeah.
Sarah. Mammootty. Plastic surgery.
Yeah.
Birthday matchup to DQ. Wow. Wow. What a look, yeah.
This is from Jomonda Suvishesham actually.
I saw that also.
That is actually a good film.
Bangalore Days.
ഒപ്പം നടക്കാൻ ഇഷ്ടം.
Yeah. Kali.
Kali, yeah.
ലൈഫ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് മൂവ്മെന്റ്
Yeah.
Sarah.
Oh, Kadal Kammani.
തന്നെ കാണും.
ഓരോ സുലൈമാനിയിലും ഒരിത്തിരി മുഹബത്ത് വേണം. അത് കുടിക്കുമ്പോ
It is from actually
Ustad Hotel. Yeah.
Yeah.
വയറ് നിറയ്ക്കാൻ ആരെ കൊണ്ടും പറ്റും. കഴിക്കുന്നവരെ മനസ്സും നിറയണം. അതാണ് ശരിയായ കാര്യം.
സിസ്റ്റർ തെരേസ് മേരി 19 സീഷൽസിലാ
I think Charlie.
Yeah.
I watched in Kerala this film.
Yeah.
This is also Charlie. First song.
Yeah.
Idivara Manu.
Yeah.
Aro, Avararo, Ara. That song only, right?
Yeah.
നീ പുലിയാണ് കേട്ടോ.
എന്നെ അന്വേഷിച്ചോണ്ട പിന്നെ ഒരാൾക്ക് നിന്നെ അന്വേഷിക്കാൻ കിട്ടിയ
കളിയല്ലാത്തൊരു കാര്യം പറയാം. രസയോട് പൂരം കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വരാൻ പറ. ആൾക്കൂടുതലിടയിൽ ഞാനുണ്ടാവും. കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം.
നമുക്ക് കളറായിട്ടൊരു ഫോട്ടോ പിടിച്ചാലോ?
ഈ മോഹൻ
വന്നതേ
മോഹൻലാൽ. Youth icon, fashion icon, most visible man. Wow. Oh, actor, singer, producer.
సల్మాన్
Ah,
జెమ్ని గణేష్
చిరంజీవి.
చూస్తుంటే నాకు జెమ్ని గణేష్ గారితో నాకు ఇంట్రాక్షన్
Legend. Mohanlal. I think Mohanlal and Mammootty are best friends. I think so.
എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അവാർഡ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാം പ്രിയങ്കരനായ ലാലേട്ടനാണ്.
Receiving award from favorite actor. His favorite actor is Mohanlal, not his father. Ah, Palabhishekam.
மலையாளம் சினிமா பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் உங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும் வந்து தளபதி அப்படின்னு மாதிரி சொல்லலாம்.
Both were there. Yeah, in a screen.
ഓൻ ചരിത്രമാണ് കിട്ടിയതെന്ന്
ചില
Kerala
കാര്യങ്ങൾ
State Award.
ചെറിയ ലക്ഷ്യങ്ങളിൽ തട്ടിക്കും വലിയ
Wow.
ലക്ഷ്യങ്ങൾ
Happy birthday, DQ.
ആ പിരിത്താപ്പിള് സുമാരക്കുറിപ്പിന്റെ കാര്യം ഇതുവരെ ഒന്നും ആയിട്ടില്ല.
സാറേ ജോർജായ
ഉറപ്പീനുള്ള പരിപ്പോടെയും ചായ ഞാൻ തരുന്നു.
ചില കുട്ടികൾ കടിക്കും ചിലത് കുരയ്ക്കും വെറുതെ എന്റെ കൈ കൊണ്ട് നേർച്ചിടിക്കും
അച്ഛന്റെ കൈ പിടിച്ച് നടന്ന മക്കൾ അച്ഛന്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഒപ്പം പിടിച്ച് നടന്നതാണ്.
എനിക്ക് തന്റെ പിന്നാലെ നടക്കാനല്ല ഒപ്പം നടക്കാൻ ഇഷ്ടം.
Happy birthday for Dulquer Salman.
Sir, how was the
Actually-
video?
Actually, the video is very good. I liked it very much.
Okay.
I want to tell you one thing. I already told that one of my favorite heroes from Malayalam was Dulquer Salman and Naveen Pauly.
Okay.
There is a film called Bangalore Days. That was the first film I watched, Dulquer's film.
Oh.
I really liked it. Actually, it was remade as Bangalore Natakal in Tamil, I think so.
Oh, okay.
And I have watched a film called Thivaram. It's really
Thivaram.
awesome. Yeah, I really like the film.
Yeah,
I really like
actually, we thought that he would get an award for that in that movie, but he didn't get anything. Actually, it
He
was
didn't get
one
any
of
award.
no, it was one of his best films, but still he didn't
Uh,
get any awards for that.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
bad to hear. Actually, I also thought that he will get an award for that film. Okay. And I have watched. There is a film called Pattam Pole. I watched. The second show I watched.
Yeah.
And there is a film called, I don't know the correct pronunciation, I'll tell. Neelakasam Pachadikal Chuvarna Bhumi, I think so.
No, it is Neelakasham Pachakadal Chuvanda Bhumi.
Okay, Pachakadal Chuvarna Bhumi. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry for the mistake.
Yeah, it's okay. Good films. That was his epic films. Yeah,
Oh.
that were.
After that, I have watched a film called Solo. In that, he has characterized like 4 different characters, I think so.
Yeah, that is also a good film.
After that, recently, I have watched a film called CIA, Comrade in America, I think so.
Arka, yeah.
That was also really good. And I have watched a film called, it was released in Tamil, called O Kadal Kanmani.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
Kanmani.
actually Okay Kanmani in Malayalam.
Okay, it was released in Telugu also as OK Bangaram. It was dubbed and released in Telugu.
Oh, okay.
And one of his Telugu film was Mahanati. That film
Mahanadi.
got so many national awards.
Yeah.
But he didn't get any award, but
That film got many awards.
actress.
Yeah.
That film actress got a national award also.
Oh,
And
okay.
one more thing, especially I want to tell about this particular film. There is a film called Ustad Hotel.
Ustad Hotel, yeah.
Papa, what a film! Yeah, that was. I really liked it. There's a song called Appangal. The
Appangalam
song was-
Padam. Actually,
superb.
it was a beautiful
That was released in
song.
Telugu also.
It was celebrated by our youth a lot.
Yeah. Actually, that film was dubbed and released in Telugu as Janata Hotel.
Janata Hotel, okay.
Yeah. Okay, now tell me about DQ. I mean, Dulquer Salman is also known
okay.
as DQ, right?
First of all, happy birthday, DQ.
Happy birthday,
you have, yeah, you have got many fans in Kerala. So, talking about him, he was born on today, July 28, 1984.
84 means he's
Yeah.
1 year elder than Ram Charan.
actually, he was a BBA student. He was, although he had filmy background on some other business, then he joined the film industry. His first movie was Second Show.
Oh, that was his first film.
Yeah, later on he got so many films in the year. That was in, actually Second Show was in 2012.
Okay.
He got Ustad Hotel. After that, he acted in Ustad Hotel. That was also in 2012. Then coming to his epic movies, it was Ustad Hotel, Kali, Charlie, then Tivram, Solo, everything. And
Solo.
I'm sorry, I forgot Bangalore Days. Everybody, I think every. Not only Malayalis but every South Indians
Person.
actually celebrated the film.
Yeah, we know it. Even there's a friend of mine, he don't know Malayalam. He has watched only 2 Malayalam films in Malayalam. One is Bangalore Days, one is Premam.
Oh, okay. Then he got 4 Filmfare Awards, 1 Kerala State Award, and he has also won the Best Actor Award for Ustad Hotel. Then he got a Filmfare Award for Best Debut in that Second Show movie.
Okay.
I think you know he is the son of our beloved actor Mammootty, known as Mammootty.
Mammootty.
Yeah. Then he also acted not only in Malayalam, he has acted in Tamil and in Hindi movies, and also in Telugu.
Yeah, I know Telugu.
Then coming to the Tamil movie, he has acted in Vayamudi Pesuvam. He got awards for that.
Okay.
And coming to Hindi, he has acted in movie called Karvan, as well as Zoya Factor.
Actually, I thought to watch this Zoya Factor. Regarding cricket, something I heard that I want to watch. Sonam Kapoor is the heroine, I think so, for that.
Yeah.
I didn't watch.
You should watch. If you can
I'll
go
watch,
through
I'll watch.
all his movies, he's so into the character that you can't even find difference between anything. Actually, he is so into the character. In his every movie, he has a different. He plays a different role. He's so into it that we just love watching it again and again, and we don't get bored at all.
Oh, wow. Actually, in that mashup, I saw that DQ25. Does he completed 25 films?
Yes, he did.
Wow. In the year 2012, his first film. And 2000, within 8 years, he has completed 25 films.
Yeah.
Wow. Superb. In the 8 years, he have completed 25 films. It's not at all a small number. It's really a very big, huge number.
Yeah.
Superb. Guys, I hope you all like our video reaction and the information about Dulquer. If we tell any mistake, please let us know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll give good stuff regarding films.
So, would you like to learn a Malayalam dialogue that Dulquer said in Bangalore Days?
Malayalam? Okay, I will try.
Okay. Repeat after me, okay?
Yeah, I'll try.
എനിക്ക് നിന്റെ പുറകെ നടക്കാനല്ല. പുറകെ നടക്കാനല്ല. ഒപ്പം നടക്കാനാണ്. ഒപ്പം നടക്കാനാണ് ഇഷ്ടം. Yeah, you tried. Well tried. So, അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ടു അവർ ചാനൽ. So, once again, happy birthday Dulquer Salman. We love you a lot. Thank you. So, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified.
Bye guys.
Bye everyone.
See you in the next video soon.